Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I want to today go over something that is crucial for any singer to understand and master if they want to be an incredible vocalist. So bear with me as I break down what this is and an incredible exercise that you can do in order to master. Okay, so what is this I'm talking about? Well, outside of tone, which is the quality of sound, that's what that means, your tone, your vocal tone, it is really crucial to be able to sing on pitch. Now, before I get too deep into this, I just want to clear up for those who don't know, what is pitch? Pitch equals note. So, this will play this exact pitch every single time. And also, what are our songs made up of? A bunch of different notes, right? Or varying different pitches. So how do we get skilled as vocalists to be able to hear notes and produce those notes? Well, first and foremost, I want to say that it is really, really important to have the fundamentals. The fundamentals are the building blocks, right? So for example, in singing, your breathing is a fundamental. How you shape your mouth is a fundamental. I equate this to like math, right? Knowing your numbers. If you don't know your numbers, it makes it really hard for addition and subtraction. And then moving on to multiplication, forget about it, right? So first and foremost, you want to have those skills in, and you can watch other videos that I have on this channel in order to get those in there. But today I want to go over a specific exercise, once you have those in, that can be super helpful in being able to get some good ear training in and hit those notes, right? And so what is this exercise? Well, you're going to be listening to a note in a sequence of 3, right? So you're going to hear it first, you're going to hum it, and then you're going to sing it. And I just picked May. May. So you're going to hear it, hum it, May. Hear it, hum it, May. I missed that last part so you can sing it. Again, hear it, hum it, and what I like to do is do half steps up, right? And so if you do not have a piano, and that's what this exercise works really good with, someone asked with guitar, I would not do that. I prefer that you use piano with this one. You can use an incredible app that's free, which is called Pitch Pocket. And basically what that does for you guys is it's going to have a piano laid out for you there. For my females, I would start with middle C and work your way down and back up. And that is also called, when you're looking at that app, C4. And for my males, I would start at C3 and work your way down a little bit and then work your way up. You can do this. The really great thing overall is it's not going to hurt your voice. It tends to be super light. And the whole intention of this is getting you really skilled at hearing notes and producing those notes. Hearing notes and producing those notes. And ultimately, that's just what we're doing when it comes to songs. So if you feel like you're running into problems with your pitch, again, which is your note, or you're going what is called flat under the note, or sharp over the note, when you're supposed to, for example, right, just like to clear this up. If I'm supposed to be singing this, but I'm singing, that's under, that's flat. If I'm sharp, and I'm supposed to be singing, here, that's off, that's over the note. And ultimately, I want to be on this note. So, if you're flat, you're sharp, and you're finding you're going, that's a consistent thing for yourself. Again, remember, fundamentals are huge, keeping those in there. but this can be a great ear training exercise to get you really good at mastering pitch. Hope this helped.